Good morning, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hello, my friends. How are you today?
Good. How are you doing?
I am good. Not bad. Do we have anything good this week or not?
Yeah, we have a lot of potential.
Oh, a lot of potential. Okay. EA last
GJ.
night. I saw EA last night and it worked perfectly. Even though came to the next zone first, but anyway. Anyway, let's see. Let me just record this and okay. GJ, ooh, looks nice. It looks nice. GJ is at resistance, waiting for it. USD cat creating a small consolidation box. GBP US dollar is consolidating. Also, we have a lot of zones on GU. It's tough to decide where to take a trade here. GJ is very clear. Ooh, EU looks nice for ourselves, but looks like we missed it. Looks like it already did the break and retest. Euro JPY could be a break and retest of this zone, even though this zone is not very strong, so gotta be careful here. Luki, you are in EJ shorts. First of all, if you would enter shorts on EJ, you would have to wait at least to 260 here if we can count this as a zone. Otherwise, you're in too early. And EJ, as Adebayo is saying, is very bullish right now. It is very bullish. It's a little bit scary to sell EJ. Aussie dollar rejected from support. Let's see the 4 hour. Okay, so do we have any current break and retest happening? Looks like the US dollar was first, but we are late. GPAD. GPAD would be good, but looks like it had a weak breakout.
Yes, we were waiting for it. So maybe this hour. Maybe this hour.
I don't know. I would hate to have a breakout like this. A weak breakout, then the next one coming all the way down like 30 pip drop, then close above. I don't know. I wouldn't be very comfortable here. Here, NZD. What's happening with your NZD? Here, NZD went pretty well Friday. Friday was a good day. Friday was a good day. I didn't even expect to have So many setups on a Friday. Was surprising. Any trades we are looking for any trades if we can find something.
Maybe NZDJPY. This hour.
And it's DJPY this hour. Ooh, GBP Cat is nice. Wow, look at GBP Cat from Friday. It
Yeah, it can be
melted.
nice.
GCAT was perfect last week. We called a monster trade here. An epic trade. Look at the move. Okay, so GCAT has a small consolidation box here. Either way it would break, I think it could cause some nice push.
Could you check this NZDJPY for now? Because maybe it's now, but I'm not so sure.
It looks classic break and retest.
But it did quite big pullback.
Yeah, the pullback was very deep. I'm not happy with the 4 hour here. Because if you look at the 4 hour, see how 4 hour.
Yeah, it's not with the trend, but break up can be good, I think, if you look on 4 hour, 1 hour.
Yeah, a break to the upside would be good. Because here's the setup. It did a breakout, the retest came. We had the rejections before 1, 2, 3, 4 hour candles close above. And this candle goes back in the range. The retest of the fake out went all the way down. So this could cause problems. I think it's better to wait for a close above maybe.
Yeah, on this pairs it's better to have like perfect setups. We don't need to try them so much. But upside, if you look on the left, it also corresponds, so it can be very good and it's very clear range.
Yeah. To the upside, I would be glad to take it.
It would be best if like one candle, but we will not probably get it.
The best here would be if we break this and we make a new high. You see how UNZT was? Friday, same thing.
Yeah, exactly. It's the same. But ideally, it would be best in this candle.
Yeah.
It's strong, big candle. It would be.
Yeah, ideally this would have been, but it got rejected all the way down. So there's a chance that we might get rejected, but I think it's better to stay away now. We'll see what happens. But right now, I think we're gonna have to wait. Look at Euro NZD, Friday. So it has to do the same thing as it did here.
Yeah, but it went also in drawdown here. You wasn't scary at all there?
On Euro NZD?
Yeah, it went to pretty deep. I wasn't sure, it was very weak breakout for me.
Yeah, I was with momentum there, pretty sure. To be honest, my stop loss was just here. Yeah,
Lucky look.
I was a bit lucky, because for real, it came very deep, and I didn't expect that big pullback to the downside. But I was pretty sure that if it comes below the previous candle, it's gonna stop me out and probably it's gonna be a fake out, but it didn't come. So I got away with it. A nice one. Once it turned bullish, I knew it right away that we're gonna fly. It came even again and again and again. It was a lot of consolidation on Friday.
It's very bad chart.
Yeah.
But GJ, it's perfect.
GJ is good. GJ is
GJ
very good.
and GCAT, I also was waiting for it. Yeah, and GA, it's still good for me. GA. Maybe it would be good on GA if we get now bearish candle and then bullish candle. What do you say on GA?
I think so. It would be more convincing.
Better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it closes back below, then we get a bullish candle close
Yeah.
above. Yeah, I think so too. I think so too. Paul, yes, yes.
But let's hope.
Pepperstone is giving the same chance as IC markets. You have to change to Pepperstone Pro and you'll have the same leverage again. 1 to 500, yes. I knew Pepperstone sooner or later gonna do it too, because there are too many clients. They can't lose all the clients because of the leverage. So they've done the option to change to Pepperstone Pro, and you'll have the same account again, just like IC markets. We have less protection though now with these new with IC Market Global and Pepperstone Pro when we switch. We're not as safe as we would be, but I don't think we're gonna have any problems in the future. What's the percentage winning of break and retest? The percentage winning of break and retest, my friend, is very high. I think we had like 85% win rate lately. Because out of 15 or 7, I don't know how many trades. I think we're close to 20 trades on last 2 months, and we've only had like 2 losses in total. You guys already know it. Everything was called live, so you can even check by yourself the trade that we took. It's easy. Okay, is there any pair that we didn't check here? Oh, NZD CHF. I was waiting for this last week. Well, it looks like I missed. Anyway, just a 10 pips move happened, nothing more. At least I would cash 10 pips here. Really, no, we haven't taken any trades today yet. We're still waiting. Oh, CHF JPY has the same setup as the GJ. Oh, what a nice setup this would be if we get a close above here. This would be perfect. What's your thoughts, sells on EJ? No, we said no sells on the EJ because EJ is very bullish right now. And also the 4 hour looks not good. The zone might be a little bit weak also. So we're staying away for now. It looks like we have a zone and there could be nice sells and it could reject all the way down, but it's just not safe. What if breakout candle closes next or near next stop loss resistance and we need deep pullback to retest? Is this still valid? Depends how the breakout candle is. It all depends from the setups. We can't just give an answer. Different setups, different kind of place. It depends.
Oh man, GJ is trying to break.
Eddie, we don't go to lower time frames because we don't need to. If we get a breakout on the 1 hour, we're gonna take it on the 1 hour. If we do it on the 4 hour, we'll take it on the 4 hour. So we don't work lower than 1 hour and it works perfectly fine. You can get perfect entries also. Forgot to tell you on Friday, I am the guy who lost 4% trying to make 0.60 on FTMO challenge, 2 days remaining. I made back the 4% and completed the challenge. Very nice, my friend. Congrats. That's very nice to hear. Good for you. Good for you. Happy for you that you made it back. GJ trying to break. Let's go. Is Magic Keys really helpful? How does it help you? Look, it all depends how do you trade. It can be very helpful, but it can be not helpful at all if you don't want to use it. It all depends how you use it. If you had problems with the risk management, it can help a lot. For example, I take a lot of positions, right? So I split my risk in plenty of positions, and that's how I like to trade. So Magic Keys helps a lot because it calculates stop loss, take profit, calculates the risk. You can close with a bottom, close half, close part, close. There are plenty of options. It all on you. How do you use it? Because if you use it a lot, it can be helpful a lot. It's a very good thing. Sammy, yeah, USD CAD is pushing down. It is pushing. I mean, we'll see. We'll see what happens. There's another 20 minutes until this candle close, so we have plenty of time. There are plenty of setups, guys. Lucky for us, there are plenty of setups. We just gotta wait for them. They're gonna break sooner or later, or we're gonna be here to wait for them. You know what would be nice? A break above on ERA USD. If this candle would go above the previous one, close above, we could take some buys on the retest. That could be nice. Would you place a buy stop to cash breakout on GJ? No, we don't use buy stops. We wait for the price to break above. We need a candle close above. Then it comes for a retest, and that's where we get in. No before, no before the candle closes, no. Only after the candle closes. Do you wait for retest candles to reject or wait for reject candle to close? Guys, it is very easy for you to see how we do it. Just go on Friday's webinar and take a look at GCAT trade we took. It's the perfect example for you. Go to the last webinar and see we took a live trade. You have the confirmations, why we took it, how we took it. Thoughts on USD GBP, USD GBP, maybe GBP USD. Can we take the retest on the 4-hour on EURCAD? I think EURCAD has gone too far right now. It's gone too far.
Satan, what do you think on EuroCAD, the first breakout? Because I was at the charts, but I wasn't sure about this.
EURCAD first breakout.
Yeah, a few hours ago.
EURCAD first breakout. I think it was good, but it didn't come enough for the retest.
And if you look on the daily, can you check? Maybe I was looking too far, but there is a big level on daily.
23 pips. Oh no. Wait, because I was looking at the 4-hour. You said the 1-hour, right?
Yeah. This was a weak breakout. It was like 4 pips, and this candle, it's not very convincing for me. It wasn't.
No, I don't think I would take it, to be honest.
Yeah.
And being this low.
Could you check the daily also?
Let's check the daily. No, I wouldn't take anything here.
If
It's
you
not.
look even farther,
Yeah, it's
there
at
is,
support.
yeah, here.
I see.
Maybe it's too far, but because it worked. But
Yeah.
these setups, when it's so stretched, so much stretched, they are not so good. It's better when even it is at the highs, it's do like something like GJ do, big consolidation and then maybe
Yeah.
buy.
If it has gone too far or it has pushed a lot, at least it needs to have a good resistance created on lower time frames too. Because I wouldn't be very comfortable taking a buy on a high without having a consolidation like this on GJ.
This
If
can be good.
Yeah, so if we would have GJ without this trying to break here, I would probably hesitate a little bit. But this is just getting bigger and bigger, rejecting more and more. That's what's gonna convince me now to wait for the break and retest.
And time is also good. Maybe it will not go too far.
Yeah, that's the good thing now because we have another 15 minutes left and we're still close to resistance. Now, if we get like a 10 pips breakout, we have a way better chance to enter here. This could be good. This could be very nice. Closing without a top wick would be even better.
Also, the 4 hours gonna close now.
Yeah, we have a time change now, so 4 hour is closing earlier.
Why? Why time change?
US times change and brokers also change time.
Oh, so now we get to the close at 10 a.m.
Yep.
Yes. But only this week, I think, until we change time. No, so it's 2 weeks, I think.
Or it
When
doesn't matter, we'll see.
Yeah, when Europe changed time, it will be back same again.
Oh, yeah. Time's gonna change soon. Today with a completely different color sweatshirt, so different to my eyes. It is different and it says chill. Chill, man. Relax. Chill. Yeah, maybe we have to change the name of the stream. Welcome to Chill Stream. Welcome to the place where we are very chill and we take nice trades and we don't panic during the trades. We are very chill and we win them all the time. Friday, I took a lot of pips on GCAD because I didn't close everything. I didn't
But
close.
it but it went
I know it went
break
Lezek,
even.
but I didn't care that
So
it went to break even because I trusted this a lot. It was a 1 hour and a 4 hour break and retest. How
okay.
how
You got some balls then.
Lezek, do you know how many wins we've had? We can afford the loss in the way, and this was nowhere to be a loss because it was a perfect setup. So it
Yeah,
was
I know.
worth the risking of keeping this still.
I left 30%, but then I went to break even and it
No, you know what I
fucked
did?
me up.
I moved my position, my stop loss at break even. Then I remember that GCAT does this a lot. When it does the retest, it doesn't move a lot on the retest candle, it moves on the next candle. And if you want to see that happens a lot of times, when the retest on GCAT happens, the retest candle usually goes 10 15 stop loss, 10-15 pips. Then after that, it comes again. Most of the time, it pushes again on last minute, and then the next candle melts because there's also the 4 hour, so it doesn't go straight. It consolidates a little bit, then boom, all the way down.
Maybe it will break again now.
You told your followers to move stop loss to break even, and you did the opposite. Yeah, because it already moved 15 pips. That's enough for my followers. They can't put the with the pressure. I can afford to hold it, and they can't. Have a
It
personal account, so in my personal account, I can do whatever I want. I can hold them, but I tell you what to do because you guys can afford the same thing as me. I can hold a trade for days and you can't. I can even hold the trade in a bigger drawdown, but I don't. I don't do that. But when there's a chance like this, it was Friday, and a lot of guys can't afford this to go drawdown again. So they had to take profits, and it was pretty good. We got a nice entry. We had 15 pips push, then got a rejected. So this was an easy 1% for everyone. USD GCAD, they're both the same. Same thing. Well, not the same. USD did close below. It's gonna close below, and it's even more than 10 pips breakout. Now it's gonna go too far, and when it comes, it's too much. What platform are you using? I'm using CTrader now. I've moved on. I did an update using CTrader now. I love CTrader. It's the best. First, I had no idea what was happening there. It looked like a spaceship, but you get used to it. Favorite pair after GJ? I don't know. It's not that we have a very favorite pair that we can say this is the best ever. GJ is very good. We have a lot of wins on all pairs. We can just say which pair is the worst, but which one is the best, I don't know. We have wins on all of them. On NZDJPY, we have a 100% win rate until now. Maybe we can say that's the best, but others are good too. But for now, NZDJPY is the pair that we never took a loss there. We took plenty of trades and all of them were wins until now. We'll see in the future what's gonna happen. Any advice to help with overtrading? My friend, the only person that can give you advice is yourself. You can make the changes. I can say a lot of things, but still you're gonna make the decisions. If you can't really control yourself, maybe it's good for you to change the leverage and trade with small leverage. Even if you can't control yourself, at least the broker is not going to let you enter trades. And that's what I did also in the beginning. I changed the leverage because it just helped me to use better risk. Until you get used to trade with small leverage, it's very good. If I use YouTube app as a browser, Travis, I don't understand you. The browser is a head of app. I don't know. I don't understand. Maybe someone else could understand and tell me because I'm not quite sure what do you mean by that. CTrader is better than MT4, but in CTrader slip is very common. No, man, I haven't seen a slippage on CTrader yet. It's perfect until now.
Slippage, in my opinion, it doesn't depend on the platform, but on the servers that brokers have.
No, slippage only happens when there's high back news. Usually there's no slippage. I haven't had slippage in a long time. I have no idea where did you see that slippage.
Could you check my GU chart?
GU. No, we're gonna skip GU because it's in between zones. It's not likely we're gonna take a trade here.
And this USD cut, It have a breakout, nice. It has a
Yeah, USD CAD, I think it's good. I can't say it's not good. The zone is not the best. It has a few rejections. It could work. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Let's see how many pips we have here. Yeah, almost 20. So we could get like a 10 pip rejection if we get a retest. He means that there's a delay between your live stream and what he sees on his screen. No, it's not a few minutes. There's only seconds for delay. That's how it works. My friend, the clock is 9:59, so there's another 10 seconds before 10 a.m. I don't know how that changes anything. I don't know. There's a small
And
delay always.
cut JPY maybe also.
CAD JPY, USD CAD, both are closed perfectly. We're gonna wait for a retest here and see. Gabby, hello my friend. I'm doing good. How about you? UJ broke 1 hour support. Let's take a look. Yeah, looks like it did break support. We have this resistance now. Should act as resistance at least. It looks good. It looks good. Not gonna trade UJ, but it does look good. We have a breakout. You could enter around 120 and it should continue to the downside. Okay, GJ didn't break. USD CAD, we have a very good breakout, no bottom wick, a lot of momentum to the downside, but having doubts that we're gonna have a retest. GBP USD looks good, but there's resistance just above, right where price got rejected. It's risky. Ooh, EU did break all the way to the upside. And we have around 5 pips break off, not the best close.
But and even the level, I think now it's even higher. If you look on current price action, you
Yeah,
should move it higher, so it's not a breakout.
yeah. If you look at it, there's some candles rejecting here, and
But
there's some a
most
little
closes,
higher.
yeah, even higher, yeah, here, I think.
Yeah, this previous candle, if it would close where it made this high, that would be perfect maybe. But no
Yeah,
luck.
this could be good.
EURUD closed below support again. Mm. GA closed back in the range. See what happens after the weak breakouts. Weak breakouts can be dangerous. USD closed below support. Okay, nice. We have a break on USD, but we're still in this consolidation box. Shame. Look, UJ looks good. UJ does look good now. I didn't think that we're gonna have a setup here first, but it looks like it's happening. It's just I don't know if it's worth taking it, because it might take too long. It's a 7 pip pullback needs to make. I mean, we might try it. We might try it. We can
But
use.
look on 4 hour set. It looks very
Look,
good.
we can use a 5-6 pip stop loss here, and oh, once this makes the retest, we could come all the way down here. Of course, it's gonna take ages, but it might work out. Yeah, the 4 hour is good also because it did a fake out on the 4 hour. First, it broke above. You could see here now it closed back all the way down, back in the range. We need the retest here, and then all the way to the downside. We're gonna have to wait and see. This should be nice. It should be. And we can use a pretty small stop loss here, only 6 pips above the breakout candle or above resistance. So the same thing, they just match. Most of the time where we want to use our stop is above resistance, enough that we can anticipate where price can come at, maximum where price can come. So this should be the maximum that UJ could do. If it goes above the previous candle, it would be done. But are we gonna get the retest? That's the question. Because it looks like we are getting rejected straight away. Who broke else? Who else broke? ADJPY. GCAD broke. GCAD, no, it didn't break yet. It didn't break yet. No, no, no. You gotta wait because there's no clean breakout yet. See these previous candles? It didn't clear them yet. You need to wait. NZDJPY almost closed above. Not almost. There's still more. A good decision to not take the retest because it was first weak maybe and second coming from another zone. Bitcoin hit almost 61k. Nice. CHFJPY had a good chance to break, but it didn't. What else do we have? NZD man, this was good, clean setup. AUD I don't see anything on AUD guys. What about AUD? There's nothing here. We had 2 candles rejecting before. It doesn't make any sense to take a trade here. See, you only have bearish candles. Structure is not good. Just skip. GJ could be good. It's taking some time. The 4-hour close was not how we wanted, so no hopes for a 4-hour breakout. We're gonna have to wait. Only for the 1 hour, but 1 hour could be enough. 1 hour could be enough as a confirmation on the to take a trade. Is Euro US dollar gonna break? It might break. I don't know, my friend.
What do you say, Seth? Should we take this UJ?
Is it coming?
It's coming slowly.
I don't know. I think we might risk it for the biscuit here. If you're not sure, you could use half risk. Why not? We know that UJ can take a lot of time. It's your decision. But we could use a smaller risk just in case if it takes too long and we get another setup. somewhere else. Okay, EU closed all the way with a big rejection on 4 hour. The daily looks like we could have some more continuation. We could. A 1 hour. Now I think except that we have UJ. There's more setups coming, but not yet. We're gonna have to wait. And UJ probably is not gonna come. USD CAD is also very good, but I don't know. It made a small move before coming. I wanted to pull back right after the close because there's no bottom wick and was a lot of momentum to the downside. Could have had some nice break, then the rejection, but it hasn't made a big move yet to the downside. It's only 6 pips. We could maybe still see some rejections when it comes. We have a 20 pip range, a 20 pips pullback we need to make. That's pretty big. 15, not 20. It's pretty big. Any news? Twitch. myfxbook.com. What do you guys think about Twitch? Is it good or is it not good? So, from what we see, we are clean from the news, nothing except we have a speech, President Biden's speech. Wow, first time I'm seeing a speech from the president. 8 hours and 32 minutes. Plenty of time until then. We'll see what happens. Maybe it's gonna cause some kind of volatility. Is GJ forming double top? GJ is forming, I don't know how many tops there are here. Plenty of rejections. It's forming a nice zone. That's what I see here. We are forming a very nice zone. If we get a breakout, we could be in a nice setup. We could have a nice setup coming. Joe, I don't know if you guys heard Biden's speech, but man, he talks like it's just nothing makes sense. I saw a speech and it left me speechless because it made no sense at all. He was just like talking something, but it made everything he was saying was just like without any sense. Look, guys, one thing is good that he's not he doesn't stay on Twitter all day, and we're safe from him because we used to be scared of Trump tweeting every day. Now we are safe. Now we're back at the time where Hillary was president, and we were just safe trading through the day because no tweets would come out. Trump time was full of news, full of tweets. You could have tweets anytime. Erman, I said, what do you guys think about Twitch? Yeah, streaming on Twitch maybe. If YouTube doesn't verify me, I'm gonna look to switch maybe on Twitch. I'm gonna look to switch maybe on Twitch. Twitch only for gaming. No, Hillary was not president. I don't know what I said. I said like Biden. I didn't know what I was saying. Hillary was competing. Twitch is not only for gaming. Twitch is good for anything. I don't know. Twitch has more things like YouTube is poor on that section. Like there's so many things on Twitch subscribers can do with these gifts, with these kind of things. It's more, it's way better, I think. YouTube is more for FOREX, but Twitch has so many more options. It's good.
I set an alarm for UJ. Maybe next year it will hit. And retest.
UJ is gonna take a lot of time. Willy. Of course, my friend, you can't just put buy stops on GJ because it's at resistance, so it's gonna try plenty of times before it closes above, and you may get caught up on that. So it's risky. Yeah, we could switch to Twitch and trade and gaming and trading same time. Could be perfect. Forex trading plus gaming. We're not in a trade. We're not in the trade. We're waiting. UJ trying. Yeah, it's trying, but we'll see. If UJ comes, we're gonna look for something like this. Stop loss here. Take profit as much as we can take it from it. As much as we can take from it. Maybe 10-15 pips first. Then we'll see. Is the time change from Kosovo in a couple of weeks? Yeah. It's coming soon. Guys, I don't know if it's worth it or not. It's if it's worth it or not taking UJ. But with a small stop, why not try? It's pushing, so we gotta be ready. Let's get ready. Take some cells. Is the spread good? Spread is good, not bad. Needs to push more. Needs to push more. I think 120, 125 should be nice. We already have a huge wick rejection on downside, not a clean setup. Where do you see that huge wick rejection on a downside? If you're thinking about this was hours before. We had a break to the upside, a retest, and we turned into fake out now. It's a 1 hour and a 4 hour fake out. Beitu,
Yes.
what are you doing? Are you working?
Yes. But only as much as needed.
So you don't have to be there all the time.
No, I have no meetings today, so I'm just answering mails.
Okay, it's good, good, good. Can't wait to have you back here so you can
Yeah,
tell us
yeah.
some kind of story. How did yesterday go?
Yesterday was nice. It
Mm,
was good. Yeah, it was nice, bro. Everything was easy.
perfect, perfect.
Yeah. I have my apartment next month.
Next one, we're gonna move out.
Yeah, I have to
Okay,
do a
great.
few things over there.
New period of life is coming.
Exactly, exactly. Waiting for that.
It's gonna be different now.
I hope better.
Of course, of course, better. Fabio, 4 hour closed already, my friend, because we had the time change. The 4 hour closed at 10 a.m. It's not gonna close now at 11 like it used to. We already got to close.
The thing is, it feels like it is 11:30 already. You know, no movements at all.
Yeah, but it's Monday. It's Monday, guys. So it's gonna take some time. I mean, it's not that we didn't have movements. We did have, but it's just there are a lot of consolidations happening right now. So all these moves just happened on the same two zones, like in between. It's not that it broke or something like that. So, like if you look at GU on last 3 hours, it has moved 47 pips, but for us, it doesn't matter because it's just inside of consolidation. It's not breaking any zones yet. So this move is useless for us until now. EA, for example, moved a lot. It did a break and retest here. Pretty nice if you could catch the first one, even though it came from another zone, so would probably be off. No trade. Anyway, I'm glad to see it worked. Another thing that I see it worked is that we had the same situation as on EJ. On EJ, no, on Euro SD. Leszek, do you see this? It's exactly as EN. Like I told you guys, when there's something like this, when we miss the break and retest on another zone and we want to enter on the continuation, price creates a minor
Yeah,
zone. Look at this,
I
perfect.
saw that this
Boom,
also.
it was perfect. Did you take
I
it?
saw this. No.
Or you thought it's a weak close?
Yeah, but I knew that it's the
Yeah,
same mechanism that
yeah,
you
it
used
closed
before.
without a top wick, came for the retest. This was easy, easy 30 pips, 20. What do you think about USD CAD if it pulls back on the 15-minute time frame? If it pulls back on the 15-minute time frame, that means it's pulling back on 1 minute, 5, 10, 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and the daily. So we look at it on the 1 hour. Right now it's not coming back. So probably what's gonna happen is we're gonna have some kind of consolidation here. Then later on it comes, but we're not gonna take it anymore because that would be just too late. The momentum would be probably gone. Man, look at the 4 hour. Such a nice close, and we didn't have a retest. The 4 hour is very, very good. It's snowing a lot here. It's raining a lot. No snow. Scalpers here? Yeah, bro, we're all scalpers. Eric, how I put my support and resistance is very easy. We just look where candles are closed. So we see that most of candles are closing at the same level, right? So that's where our zone is. Doesn't matter for two, 1 or 2 pips maybe. If you look at this, for example, this is where most of the candles are closing. This level. This candle is a little above, but still you could see how it couldn't continue up, went all the way down. That's only like 2 pips or one above this. So if you couldn't take a break and retest above, that means the zone didn't really break. And you could see all these candles rejection from the same zone. So if you were to take a break and retest here, you would need a close of around 10 pips or close to 10 around here for example. And when it comes for a retest, that means you can have maybe to enter half here because there's a chance it might reject from the wicks and where candles are closed.
UJ left us. It's only slow when we are in. It looks
Yeah, yeah. UJ is only slow when we are in, because you can
Yeah.
see. Look at these moves. These are not small moves. See, that's 45 pips. That's 30. That's another 30 pips. That's another 70 pips. It only moves slow when we are in. Yeah, it's leaving us. It's leaving. It went pretty close.
Put it to hopeless pairs. So
Yeah,
just punish it.
I was very close, but not enough. Need to come another 3 pips. We couldn't enter too early on UJ because 3 pips is a lot for UJ. We had to catch a good entry. Unfortunately, we didn't get. What if GJ rejects? That can be another possibility also. But I would only look for sells if we get a close below 151.850 around here.
Yeah, that's good.
Because
Also.
we have a good range then to fill to the downside. We wouldn't have any kind of problem, I think. But there's still time. There's still time. We could still see something nice here.
It's a shame that USD didn't came.
Yeah, looking at the 4-hour tool.
I don't know if now it's not so good, I think, because the level is not so strong.
Look, I think whenever it comes, we can have a small pullback, but maybe it's not going to be enough. You know, enough small pullback to give us enough percentage or pips. Because if you look at it, the 4 hour is good. 1, 2, 3, 4 hour, 4 candles, and they're all 4 hours, so pretty good. It's not bad, and we have a good close. I mean, we'll see what happens. The fact that we didn't get the retest right away, I don't feel comfortable taking it anymore because it took too much time. And if you look at the daily, we are at a very strong zone. No, I'm gonna skip it. Maybe I'll look for a fake out to the upside or something. Brova. Hello, Brova. Use the cat is not going up, not going down. It's just consolidating right now.
And GCAT is also, it's came back to the range. It can be good also.
Imagine GCAT coming and breaking above here.
Oh, it would be fire setup.
Yeah, would be fire. I would take it without any doubts. Who knows, might come 30 minutes or a lot sometimes. And
And
let's see.
what if it go down again and closes like 10 below? It's the worst close ever. I mean, worst last close was very bad for us. Just on the edge. But would you take it if this candle would close 10 pips lower?
If it would close below, I don't know,
Yeah.
to the downside, I'm not sure. I'm not sure because there's a lot going on left if you look at the daily. It's a mess. It would make sense to continue down, but it would also make sense to come a little higher on the daily, maybe retest the zone. So I would be more comfortable taking a buy if it breaks the zone, because I know that it can give me quick 20 pips at least here if it breaks. But I don't know. It's hard.
I would take on last hour. If the last hour the big candle would close 10 pips under, then it would be good, I think. Then I would take sells or
No, sells. I'm not sure. Like I told you,
but,
the 4 hour and the 1 hour look very bearish, but the daily is a mess.
okay, but even if the last candle would be big enough to break 10 pips to the downside with the good momentum, would you take it then?
Oh,
No.
you're talking about this candle.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I was thinking that if this would close below the first
then
high,
it would be good.
maybe I would, because there was a lot of momentum. But now it's not the same.
Yeah, and I know. It's a bad one for us.
UCAD is probably coming. We'll see. I don't know if it's worth taking it.
It's close to the end of the hour, I think, when it comes.
We have another 20 minutes left. We're gonna wait and see what happens. GJ is still there. It's we're not having much movements right now. Most of pairs are the same place. If GA would break on the next hours, it would be awesome.
Yeah, this is good.
Guys, there's no setup on your cat. It's just dropping and it's not in a perfect position to trade it. Your cat already does a lot of fake counts. Taking it this low, we might just get ourselves in a weird position and get faked. UJ did the move, then it's coming back again. Probably it's gonna come sooner or later. It's gonna come, but how safe it's gonna be then? Coming after 1 or 2 hours, losing that momentum. We have SDJPY2. If it managed to close above 620, this could be awesome. SDJPY never disappoints. It never disappoints. New wave of COVID coming soon. Scott, see you, my friend. Have a nice day. How is Kosovo? Kosovo is sometimes good, sometimes it's boring. I'm just not happy that a new wave of COVID is coming. That's what I don't like. And all these countries are saying that the third wave is coming of COVID. It's just stupid anymore. The best would be just to move on. Learn to live with it and move on. With or without COVID, we have to move on. Adnan, you are in Dubai. Why didn't you come to visit me when I was in Dubai? Is it a good idea to set alarms on GJ? Yeah, why not? If you can twice the charts. You can set alarms above 152.150 maybe. Set alarms. If it passes 150, means it's breaking then. Right now it's not going anywhere because it's just consolidating. But we're gonna wait and see because volume is gonna kick in soon. And then when that happens, we're gonna have a breakout somewhere. My country is having 500 to 700 people every single day, but yet wherever you go, it's full of people. I don't know where are these people. It's full of people. You go to the mall, it's full of people. I don't understand. If there are so many people every day, I mean, shouldn't the roads at least be like empty or less traffic? But everything is going normal. But when you look at the news, 700 people infected with COVID every day. If you want to take sell on GJ, what's your entry? If I want to take a sell on GJ, my entry has to be, first of all, we need to break below 151.900. That means a close around 800, a 10 pip close below. Then entry is going to be 900 also. It might come a little deeper. We might have like 2-3 pips deeper pullback, but entry around 900, and we could have a nice continuation to the downside because we have no traffic all the way down this whole range, no traffic. You could see how GJ dropped here when it did this break and retest. Boom, big drop. Then after this drop, it got rejected all the way down, came back again, closed above, did a retest continuation. GJ respects zones perfectly. So if we get a close below, we get to go all the way down here. After we break this too, we could have another move to this next zone. Zone after zone. It could be very nice. But right now, it's taking some time. It's taking some time. We're gonna have to wait until something good comes. GJ could be very nice, but taking time. It's only Friday, guys, so it's acceptable. Market's gonna take some time to set up, but once it starts moving, it's gonna be nice.
You have some weird time zones in Kosovo if you have Friday now.
Did I say Friday?
Yeah.
I need to get some sleep. I was saying it's Monday. Okay, guys, a little break. I'll take a nap and I'll be fresh again when I come back. Monday. It's Monday, so it's just the first day of the week. It's gonna take some time to set up and we'll see. If it was Friday, it would be nice, guys. Because we had like 2 trades on Friday. Friday brought us some nice trades. We have another 10 minutes. If we don't have any breakouts on the next hour, I don't know. Too much waiting. We probably need to go and wait then the next hour. Okay, small break and we are back before the candle closes. See what we get. Just a small break, 5 minutes. I go for a minute and somebody tries to sell a course right away. Right away. Looks like it's gonna be a slow day. It's gonna be a slow day, even though we have some setups coming, but it's a slow day already. Gonna have to wait probably another hour. Yeah, it's only Monday. It's gonna take some time. We have to be patient. Patience pays every time. UCAD coming by the end of no, I think I'm gonna skip USD CAD. There's still more room to push on USD CAD. Maybe if the 4 hour comes deep, 650, we could try some sells. But I don't know how far we're gonna go after the retest. That's the problem. Because usually you have a target set because you have the next zone in 20 pips or something like that. But in USD CAD, you can't really set a target where you want price to go because USD CAD on the daily it's already at a zone. If you look at last time where price was here, and right now we don't have much history at this level. Maybe it's better to let this create some more candles, create a better zone, then we can look for a trade there. I'm demo, but I want to go live. How much do you think I should start with? I don't know, my friend. It's that's on you. You know how much you have. You know how much you can afford to lose. You know how much money you need to make good money so you can use that money. It all depends on you. Yeah, nothing much happening. Nothing much. Looks like another hour is gone and another hour of waiting is coming. Until the next hour, we don't have anything. It looks like a slow day. UJ is there, but I don't trust this. I think I'll just skip this. I'm gonna wait for a better setup later. This hour, not good. This hour is not good. I'm gonna have to wait. GJ could still break to the upside. We're still gonna wait. Like I said, a break above 150 pool, 152.050 means a 10 pips breakout. The breakout should be around here. Even 8-9 pips could still be good. Just a clean close above, that's what we need. USD CAD, I'm not sure right now about USD CAD. I'm gonna leave it. What else can we get here? GBP could be an epic trade if we get a close above this level. It could be very, very nice. So wait for a close above here, and I think it could be very nice. Let's see the 4 hour. The 4 hour close was not good at all, but maybe we still have some hopes on the 1 hour. It's pushing now. This could be a retest maybe of the small fake out, but we could also break. Maybe some more volume's gonna come and we could have some more movement. We're gonna have to wait for now. GCAD also could be nice if it breaks to the upside. Not gonna look for a trade to a downside. I just don't like it to the downside. I'll wait for a trade like this. So right now we are missing a trade. It's nothing yet.
Maybe
Bitcoin Nitro.
JPY.
Who?
And the JPY also for later if breaks.
Yeah. There are
62.
plenty of setups that can happen next hours. Just taking time. That's it. Just taking a lot of time.
But if you look
We'll
on
wait.
this NZD JPY on the left, it has the zone again. It have to break above the wicks.
This?
Yeah, we have something. Yeah. Hmm?
Yeah, I see that.
I think it have to clear this also. So 10
Yeah,
pips break almost.
we have better setups that can come than SDDJPY. SDDJPY
Yeah.
is going to be on the last on the list. So we don't have to wait. Yeah, right now we don't have anything. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to go. Because it's not worth waiting for another hour here, since we don't have anything. We'll see how the next hour. Even if we don't take a trade at all today, we can still accept that because it's only Monday. So it's gonna take some time for market setup. I think we have some good setups coming, but it's only a matter of time when they're gonna give us the chance.
Thanks, Seth.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for now. We'll keep in touch in the group. Don't worry. Anything we have, I'll be there. For now, see you guys. And get some breakfast, some energy, and we come back next hour, see if we get anything or not. For now, thank you all. See you later. And YouTube, have a nice day, my friends. See you. Thank you for joining today. Unfortunately, we don't have anything, but tomorrow we are early on here. Today we started a little bit later, but tomorrow we're gonna be early here, and hopefully we can find something. Today we have plenty of setups. Don't forget to wait for GBPAT or GJ break to the upside. There are plenty of setups coming. Just don't push them. Don't rush to take a trade without having the proper confirmation. Wait for the proper confirmation, wait for the perfect breakout, and see you guys tomorrow. That's it for today. Have a nice day.